Okay, as ridiculous as this might look, it gives you a prototype idea. Okay, it's just this, get the size, the dimensions right. So it'd be a case of the battery pack would be in this part of the handle, trigger in the front part there, and the diode inside the barrel, which would basically work thus. And that is not a bad. I'm not going to do this. This is just stupid. I am so bored. So I used to do this professionally. I am so bored. I'm not doing this. No, this would be a mistake. This would be a bad thing to do. But as a pet training toy goes for shooting bugs, yeah. No, I'm not. No, that would be a silly thing to do.